Alright, here we go again. Let's do some cash stuffing for our paycheck number 2 for this month of June. Alright, so here we have, I don't know what happened, pero yung income ko na expected it's only 15,000 and now it went down to 14,800. So I really don't know. I still have to check my pay slip because supposed to be it's 15, but let's see guys. So now I've got 14,800 na paycheck, and start with counting here ring. So yung ring guys, instead of 1,581 plus times 2, 3,162 na yung binayaran ko. Wait lang ha. Nagpay ako ng annual fee of 150. So, wait lang guys. Nagbe-brainstorm. Kinakausap ko yung sarili ko para hindi ako malito. 3,162 plus 150. Wait. 3,162. So, 6. Wait lang. 3,162 plus 150. So, 3,312 yung nabayaran ko. 3. Ayan itong 1, 2. So, directly ko siyang nabayaran sa aking income from the video. So, 3,312 11,488. Pero yung 88 guys, hindi ko na siya kinuha. Kaya 11,400 ito dapat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, tamang-tama. Tapos, yung allocation dito ng ring na 1,6, yes, lalagay ko dito, 1,6. Kasi, di ba yung total amount ng ring ko, directly ko po siyang kinuha from this paycheck. Kaya, yung na-withdraw ko is 11,800 lang. Kaya, I'm just gonna put it back here. There. So, yung ika-cash stuff natin, well, let's start with the debt. So, yung ika-cash stuff lang natin, it's 1,375 plus 2,500 plus 840 plus 549. So, 5,264 for the debt. Pero yung ilalagay ko na lang dito. Let's double check daw. So, 1,581 wala na yan. So, let's start 1,375 plus 2,500 plus 840 plus 549. So, 5,264. But since wala akong 64 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 200. Mamaya na lang yung 64 pag meron akong change. So, let me do some segregation here. So, yung segregation is, sa CP, 75, charger, 2,500, tapos sa coffee, chuchu, and all, 840, sa snorkeling, 549. Okay. Lagyan ko ng total, which is 5,200. So, lagay ko siya dito. And next is walang savings. Let's do the grocery, 1,500. go. 1.5 for the grocery. 2.5 for the food allowance, pero mamaya na yan. Public transpo muna. So, lagay ko dito ng public transpo. Tapos, itong mga notes na dyan, mamaya na yan. So, public transpo still 1K. Tapos, sa utilities 1K. Tapos, sa vitamins 500. Tapos, kang mamshi 1K. And miscellaneous is 500. Yan. There we go. Parang ang bilis naman. So, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Ayun lang ang tanong. Nasaan yung 300? So, yun yung allowance dito. And then, yeah. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, for July. So, this is for love funds. Ito po sa birthday, insurance, investments, and alright, so let's do this, guys. I'm all good with my cash stuffing. It's very quick. Wala masyadong chichiburiche, but I just wanted to show with you na my goal for now is to fully pay my debts. So, lahat ng utang dapat i-pay off ko. Mamaya ko na i-think yung aking savings goal. Then, here. So, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I don't know if you can see it. Is it clear? Okay, just wanted to show with you that if ever man na wala sana akong utang, or if ever man na okay sana yung hindi okay, parang wala akong medyo utang-utang, or wala akong goal na gusto kong bayaran na debt, ito yung budget rule na gusto kong i-practice. So, moving forward, if and when na fix na yung ko, wala na akong utang na iniintindi, ito yung budget rule na i-goal ko probably sa around mga August o September, ma-achieve ko na ito. So, 60% goes to expenses, 20% goes to investments, 15% goes to savings, 5% goes to insurance, guys. Now, how would I do that? Well, I have 14,800 for this one. So, yung gagawin ko, every paycheck ko, I'll do the practice of doing the computation lang muna through my notebook, but hindi ko siya ipapractice in actual. Bale, parang pinapractice ko lang yung mindset ko to do this type of budgeting rule. Now, with my expenses, that's 8,800, but inallocate ko siya into, parang, anong tawag doon? I don't know, basta close out ko na siya, walang excess. So, 8,800 for my expenses, 20% investment, that's 2,900, savings 2,200, insurance, that's 900. Now, with the expenses, dapat sana yung expenses ko is, yung utang ko is only 1,375. Food is 4,000, transpo, which will actually cover the 8,375 of my actual expenses, which is this one, 8,800. So, if ever wala po sana akong utang, kayang-kaya kong i-achieve ang ganitong budgeting rule. But since meron akong utang, so, i-prioritize ko muna, i-fully pay yon. Then, ang ingay ng aso, sorry. So, now what happened here is that the debt goes to 685 for 10,845. So, ito yung naging actual for this paycheck, guys. Ito yung nangyari. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Moving forward, I will be doing this. Keep checking with the progress. But, yun yung goal. Yun yung goal ko, guys, na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Now, we are in the June, so gusto ko lang ding i-share sa inyo yung 6-month mid-year goals ko, which is the finance part is to lower debt, to lower yung debt ko into 3K, meaning yung utang ko lang is dapat nasa 3K lang, which is yung equivalent ng cellphone ng hubby ko. Now, I wanted to increase my income to 5K more and commit to 5-20-60 rule. Actually, hindi 5-20-60. Actually, it's a 60-20-15-5 rule. So, my action plan ko is to continue working with TikTok affiliate and then fully pay the other debt by end of August. So, yun yung action plan ko. So, I'll do that later on. So, yun lang, guys. On my next video, I will be doing the segregation of my money. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. Bye-bye!